Guys, welcome to a new vlog. If you're new here, I am Lynn and this is my baby girl Alina. So in the previous vlog, I did not buy chicken. I bought groceries but I forgot to buy chicken. So let's go to ShopRite and go buy some chicken. If you're new here, please do like, comment, subscribe, and let's go because the weather is changing, guys. It's gonna rain. What you wanna say? Tell them hi. Tell them hi. The weather is changing. It's gonna rain anytime from now onwards, so let's rush to ShopRite.
Alala. Alina. Don't drop it. Let's go. Take yogurt for you. What you busy doing? Ha. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
So if there's one thing that I hate, it's cleaning the bathroom, specifically the shower. I hate cleaning the shower glass. Yup. For reference, this is the current state situation of my shower glass. That's how dirty it is. On the inside, on the tiles, that's how dirty they are. Just look at that. Look at that. So let's clean together because if I don't clean, nobody else will. Nobody else will. This is what we'll need for our project. Vinegar. You need your dishwashing liquid. We'll need a spray bottle to mix that. We'll need is this steel wool skill pot? Yeah, that. Any used toothbrush that you have with you. Obviously the gloves. And what else? And whatever else you feel like you need. You need that. Need cheek. That's all I'm gonna use.
You got a hold on me. I know we've had
turned into something else. So the glass door with this one right here came out. Like it usually comes out of the rail here, but now this one is also out here. Now I have to figure out how to put it back there and continue. But this is how the glass looks like. You see, with the water, vinegar and sunlight, the dirt has literally leaked off. You just don't need a lot of work to scrub it for it to come out. Even if you use your hands like this, it literally comes out.
Oh, love it. Let's fall in love.
So the glass, it's done. This is how it looks like. Guys, I think I did a pretty good job. I'm proud of myself. I am remaining to clean on the inside, just that side, this side, and then just general cleaning the other side. For now, I'm taking a break because my child needs me. I will come back to these.
Put them on the table, you know, and pretend like you're ready.
So this is what cleaning is about when you're a mom. I had to leave everything, come and attend this one because she doesn't want to sit without me. She doesn't want to sleep. She doesn't want anything. So I had to stop the bathroom cleaning and yeah, mommy duties. Now, once you touch it, it's gonna touch. Let's make you some milk. Let's make us some milk. Yeah. Leave the camera alone. I'm also watching Octavia. I don't know what's wrong here. I'm watching Octavia. She is my favorite YouTuber. I love her so much. So let's take a pause and sit down since you want. What did you do to the camera, Lena? Where did you touch? No, you can't touch the camera, Mama. That's a touch screen. No. Let's put it here. Let's put it there. This is what happens in my life. Like, my child is just obsessed with this camera. She wants to go for it. There. No, you won't touch it.
This fragrance today is Lavalier Big Rose fragrance. When I first sprayed this, I don't like it. Like right now, nope.
You see, she's pulling this camera thing. Camera. Hello. 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 Yo. Sorry, I need to move this table, like completely move it from here. Oh, sorry, come this side. Come this side, I'll give you the camera. Sit down. Sit down. I want to show people what we're making for dinner. Today we're gonna make some dal. Guys, in this house we are half Africans, half Indians, and chicken. My husband is gonna make that. He's off today. We are half Indians and half Africans. We love Indian food. I personally also love Indian food because I find the food to be very flavorful. It has a lot of flavors, you know, spices. Not a lot of spices, but I love spicy food. I don't like black and white food. Like, what do you mean I should only put salt and pepper in my chicken? I don't get it. So we are making dal tonight and hubby's gonna make that.
I've been dead in water for some time, picking up the parts of all my lies. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. I've been seeing farther in dark skies, bringing me some fire, not for time. Follow my heart, and mine. Show you how I play my part. Ghosts in the night don't justify the love we lost, the love we hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn.
You say you love me. You know you got a hold on me. I know we've had some differences, but it's all in the past. Let's talk it through and then let's try to work it out. I know that you don't want this to